To look around the Roanoke Valley, you can see all the new buildings, the medical school, the Virginia Tech Research Institute. All those things are a result of Nancy's leadership. When Nancy became our CEO, Carilion Clinic was in terrible financial shape. And in a few years, we were financially sustainable. And she did it by focusing on what needed to be done, by looking at every facet of the operation.
I think I wanted to be a nurse from the time I was about 5 years old. And for Christmas, I got a nurse's kit and a little nurse's cape. And I didn't waver too far from that notion for years. But when, as a teenager, I had some surgery, and that solidified for me that this was my passion. This is where I wanted to be. I wanted to do what these people were doing. And so I became a nurse. My guiding principles or philosophy are related to faith and family and friends. You know, I'm so grateful that I have the ability to live in a region that I love and do the work that I love. It gives me great joy. In the last 12 or 15 years of my career, we've done some pretty bold things. We partnered with Virginia Tech and created an allopathic medical school. It's now one of the top 100 schools in the country. Those are not simple things. Nobody had been doing new medical schools for 100 years, and so we had to pioneer work to create a new allopathic medical school, and now to have it as a top-tier medical school is just phenomenal.
Nancy's management style is one of serving others. She ensures the recognition and success of those who work with her. The interesting thing is it goes beyond Carilion. She reaches out and mentors leaders regionally and even nationally. And many times those leaders are women. She really cares about mentoring women who may not have someone who would be comfortable mentoring them or right there where they are.
One thing you might wonder is, what's it feel like to get an award like this? It's incredible, of course, but it's not an award for me. It's an award for all the people that I get to stand up with, whether they're colleagues all across the country or my own folks at Carilion. It's an award that recognizes the incredible work that all of us in healthcare do, and what motivates us, what inspires us, what brings us to this hard work is the work we do to take care of patients, to improve the health of the people that we serve.
Hey Nancy, Senator Tim Kaine here. It's my honor to congratulate you on receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award from the American Hospital Association. You're a great friend, and your contributions to Roanoke, to Virginia, both from a business standpoint in your profession, but also in all your philanthropic and civic activities, is so notable. I want to thank you for the incredible work you've done at Carilion Clinic and for improving access to health care for Virginians. The last few years have been pretty tough for our hospitals, but you've continually risen to the challenge, ensuring Virginians receive quality care. I appreciate all the work you've done and congratulate you on this very, very well-deserved award.
Nancy, you truly are a servant leader, humble, smart, and deeply dedicated to our nation's patients, hospitals and health systems, and the communities they serve. With a nurse's heart, you always ensure that the patient perspective is at the center of every discussion and decision. You never shy away from hard challenges, whether it be creating a physician-led organization or building a world-class medical school. Your visionary leadership, especially during your service as chair of the AHA, pushed us to tackle value, affordability, and disruptive innovation. And as chair of the Coalition to Strengthen America's Healthcare, you led us through an important strategic pivot. A pivot not only to enable us to be more effective in ensuring that 24/7 caregivers have the resources necessary to provide essential services, but also to enhance public trust and confidence in our field. You inspire each of us to be better leaders and better human beings. Because of your dedication, America's patients and communities are healthier, and our field and our association are stronger. We are so honored to present you with the 2024 Distinguished Service Award, the AHA's highest honor. Congratulations, Nancy.